Growth creates new opportunities for a community, but it also increases demand on the infrastructure that supports daily life. In Holland Charter Township, continued residential development and expanding industry placed greater demands on the wastewater system. Pump Station 31, which is the third largest station in the township's wastewater system, was identified as a critical component in meeting both current needs and future growth. To prepare for the years ahead, the township invested in one of the largest wastewater infrastructure projects in its history. The project included replacing Pump Station 31, increasing capacity within the collection system, and constructing nearly 3 miles of new force main. These improvements work together to provide a more efficient path to the Holland Area Water Reclamation Facility while creating additional capacity for future development in the area. One of the most challenging aspects of the project was installing a 30-inch force main beneath the Macatawa River. Using horizontal directional drilling, crews installed nearly 2,000 feet of pipe at depths exceeding 50 feet below the riverbed. Careful design and construction planning helped navigate difficult soil conditions while protecting the surrounding environment. Additional trenchless construction methods were used throughout the project to cross major roads, railroad corridors, and other infrastructure with minimal disruption. Because the existing system needed to remain in service throughout construction, every phase required careful coordination with local, state, and private agencies. Temporary bypass operations, utility coordination, and extensive communication and planning allowed critical wastewater services to continue while improvements were completed. Today, the new infrastructure provides Holland Charter Township with greater capacity and improved system reliability. It also supports future housing opportunities and continued economic investment throughout the community. Most residents will never see the infrastructure beneath their streets, yet it plays an essential role in everyday life. By investing in the Pump Station 31 and Force Main Replacement Project, Holland Charter Township has strengthened its ability to serve residents and businesses while preparing for the community's continued growth.